Hello everyone, welcome. So today we will discussing the fundamentals of application support and technical support. Okay, which are essential roles in IT for ensuring a smooth business operations. So let's discuss today. So firstly, let me introduce what is IT support. Okay, so it's ensure a smooth running of systems, applications, and networks. First point of contact for technical issues. This is the first point of contact with you, okay? And it has been bridge gap between the users and the technology. Means suppose if any users are facing issues in the application in their system, so in that case, first your what is the responsibility is to what's the issues and what is the any is there any technical issues or anything you have to check in the user machine so that the machine will work or run smooth. Okay, so this is mainly work of the IT support. And in IT support there is different level is there for the supporting. Okay, like L1, L2 and L3. So L1 is basically the responsibility is to basic issues like password reset or login issues. Suppose users are facing issue not able to log in. Okay, so maybe in that case, maybe users account is not created in the system. Okay, or maybe users are facing issues because within a limited time, maybe user is not reset their password, so that's why maybe user is facing issues. So this is the basic issue, like maybe cache issues will be there in the applications or any network issues. So this all issues will be taken care by L1 support engineer. Okay. In L2 is a little bit deeper, like technical troubleshooting, like network, is there any network issues or application bugs? So in that case, what we have to do, so in this case, mainly what you have to do, like you have to take the control of the user machine, and then you will from yourself deeply check of the user system, like is there application bugs or if is there any cache issues or is there any network issues or is there any users have not restarted or clear their caches in their machines. So these all are the things you have to uh, search or you have to go in the deeper. Okay. So this is the L2 and then the L3 is the advanced support like a developer or system engineer. For L3 support, you should have knowledge of the technical. Okay, like if suppose there is a applications related to the enterprise content management, different types of applications in which users work. Okay, so suppose if you are working on the enterprise content management application, okay, and if you have no deep knowledge about the technical, deep knowledge like what is the workaround, what is the technical issues, what is the workflow to use this application, so you should aware about it, like all the workflow, what is the workaround related to that application. Okay, so this is the L3 support. Means technical knowledge should be there, and you can see like popular support applications is what mainly like ticketing systems. It's a ServiceNow and Jira. Means suppose any issues are facing by the users, they can raise the issues on the ServiceNow. They can raise the incident or any either service request or incident. Okay, according to the issue, like if the issue is a little bit critical, then there is the label like P1, P2, P3. If issues is difficult, then or Means then they can raise the P1 level ticket if issue is a little bit not it's so much urgency. So they can raise the ticket like P3 or P4. It's a low level ticket. Okay. So we can use the ticketing system with the ServiceNow or either Jira. And remote support tools, we can use the TeamViewer or any Dex or Microsoft Teams. Means we can connect with the user through Microsoft Teams and discuss or troubleshoot the issue. Okay. Monitoring tools, you can use the Nagi or SPLunk. Second is the how IT support works. So this is the ITIL basics. So this is the basics and you should aware if you are application support engineer. Okay, so maybe those who are working as a support engineer, they may be aware about it. So these are the basics like incident management you have to do, fixing issues quickly. Problem management means finding root cause of recurring issues. Okay, means suppose many users are facing the same type of issues, like many users are when going to log into their applications, they are facing issues like can't restore the space. Okay, so in that case, what you have to find out like what is the root cause, like most of the users are facing this issue. So this is the problem management. Okay, change management is like safely applying changes or updates. Okay, suppose when most of the users are facing same type of issues, okay, and if you aware like if I will do some fixing in that or modify in that any configuration if you will do, so maybe the issue will be resolved. So you can just apply, you can do the changes so that the issue will be resolved permanently. So this is the change management. So this is the basic IT support work. Okay. Second is the troubleshooting approach. Troubleshooting approach like how you will troubleshoot the issues if someone is facing issues in applications and anything like then how we will first start. So first you have to identify the problem. What is the problem? You can just ask the user like if this issue is going from the last week or this issue is come first time for you or is the same issues facing in your colleague machine. So this type of questions you can ask the users. Okay, to give to you will give you an idea to troubleshoot the issues. Okay, gather information. Okay, third is the analyze and test problem possible causes. So you can analyze it like if the issues is coming like a login issues or system issues or sign out issue. So what will be the possible causes? You can just identify it. Okay, apply the solution, and then you have to apply the solution. Like if users are not able to log in, so maybe the user account is not created in the system. Okay, verify the resolution and then close the ticket. Okay, apply the solution, verify the resolution, confirm with the user like are you able to log in or are you facing any issues right now? So if users verify like in no issue has been resolved, then after you can close the ticket. So this is a troubleshooting approach. And then soft skills for IT support you can see. So this is the mandatory one, like clear communication with non-technical users. See, uh, suppose users are working in any machines and you are the IT support engineer. So users are not aware about it, right? Like what is the issues uh, in their machines because they are not maybe they are from the technical background or non-technical background. You are not aware, right? So you have to be clear Clear communication should be there with the users so that there should be no any conflict in the future or and there will be no any difficulty will be facing by the user. So this is the first priority. You have to keep it in mind, like each and every communication should be clear between the users. Okay. And patience and empathy when handling complaints. Yes, this is also it's the most. Like suppose sometimes you will face like users are very frustrated because issues are going on, they are not able to work on it. It's maybe their priority or responsibility to solve their or complete their task at end of the day, and users are very frustrated. So in that case also you have to handle it. You have to have patience and you have to convince the user like issue will be resolved as soon as possible. We are working on it. So communication should be very very smooth and short so that users will not be in trouble. Okay. And the third one is writing professional emails and documentation. Yeah, because see, if you are handling or if you have worked on the any issue, then you have to send the mail also. So you should be more aware like what should be the professional email format and what all. So you should be aware clearly how to document it, how to send the mail with a clear understanding so that user can understand in a professional way, like every format should be there, subject line and greetings, regards and everything. Okay, so this is the soft skills for IT support. Third one I can show you like security in support. Okay, so this is also you have to keep it in mind like there is, yeah, we nowadays we can listening like a phishing or malware traps is going on. So you should be aware like there should be no any leakage of the data. So this is the responsibility of to protect user data. Okay, avoiding phishing and malware traps. And what would be the for company security policy? You have to follow it clearly. Like in the company, you can say like in every year you have to complete one training related to the phishing and malware awareness. So you have to follow the company policies and be aware like what type of phishing or malware traps you can, catch up. So in that case, you have to be up to date. You have to follow the security policy and complete the training. Um, okay, I can show you. Like yeah, currently nowadays, as we all are aware, like the many of the things are going through automation or AI based. Okay, it will so there is no any extra support is needed of the human being. Basically, in the IT support role. Okay, like for troubleshooting or everything in the user machine, and this automatically can be happen by using the AI. Okay, so to be aware and to involve in that current situation and current technology what's going on, you should be skilled up yourself or you should skill up yourself. You should try to learn the AI based technology and how to use the AI in the supporting in the IT supporting. Okay, so you should have the skills related to that. Then you can survive. Otherwise, it will create a difficulty. So you can see future of IT support is the AI chatbots and self-service portal will be created. Like AI chatbots, it will automatically listen the issue of the users and resolve the issue accordingly. Automation and scripting, Python and PowerShell is there. Like AI will automatically write the script and it will automate then that issue will be resolved. Okay, cloud support like AWS, Azure, Google. So yeah, currently cloud support is in the market. Like you will get the more opportunity in the cloud support. So better to go and learn this AWS, any cloud support courses like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. So it will be the good for you guys. So discussion question I just want like तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि अगर आप में से अगर आप लोग कोई आईटी सपोर्ट में वर्क कर रहे हो या जितना अभी तक मैंने डिस्कस किया अगर समझ में आया तो आप बताएं कि व्हाट टूल्स हैव यू यूज्ड फॉर ट्रबल शूटिंग सो फार। अभी तक आपने किस टाइप का टूल्स यूज किए हो ट्रबल शूट करने के लिए। ओके एंड अगर नहीं भी तो मैंने डिस्कस किया तो आप कमेंट में बता सकते हो। एंड हाउ वुड यू हैंडल अ फ्रस्ट्रेटेड यूजर। Suppose users are very frustrated. So in that case, how would you handle? So you can just write in the comment. And what skills do you think matter most in IT support? Okay. So I would like to listen from you guys and please write it in the chat. And conclusion, I can say like the IT support, there should be people should be skilled. Okay, and technique plus technical knowledge should be there. Okay, and tools will help a lot, and plus mindset matter more. Your mindset should be cleared, and always keep learning and adapting. Okay, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.